Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you are new in this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of Dinka Learning Family. And thank you for your subscription. Today, I'm going to read the Parikalan, the story of Parikalan. I'm going only to read it in Dinka language. And for those of you who are non-Dinka speakers, please, the English version is here. You can use it to understand the story of Parekalan. Okay? I'm going to read it only in Dinka language, that is Tong Monjang, in Jiang language. Alright guys, let us begin. Parik. Wadan ter war achol walawon. Ebany ter Eben di ter abochen ku achilo twin go ok jal tegi bo ok kok dong be ku kwet wounded to ke koch abek na won big anyer bendot go ka jalwel wet ka bu ngo jaloy emene buk duk abukwa rel kuran to ngwen chol tong jola bandit koch wen anyer bo chok kulwel ok abu warel jol karel bi jala kwet itok kek banden ko chol kwach na wen kawat ken tar wun i bandit ku wun i bany kor ku wel akaye loy kala na ye wet chuk ko jor ka het tim chok ten bany kor kwach na de kwach dal ka bi ten bandit trong num go ran bandit ran di bany kor nok go bany kor wel ran dia a phúc bandit go bandit wel boda koch a bet ku akye ka bet aya baran phúc kada go bany kor wel koch arach phot a pay rin ran den chinok na chi ran den phúc ka koch a ngot ka bi koch a ngot ka bi pot go bandit wel dok cake ran a ngot ba puk na wana ko katong dit kwal rot ke kach ke kwet gup alande et mading kudong bany kor kwa ke kach ke go bany kor kach ke jal thiech kech ka ting bany dit kan ache jal ka ran pol igur kutoj kach ke kangwan big bandit dot go ka bandit jal bandot mading, that is mading awul kun naka nin kadiak ke bandit ku koch bandit alo kwany rock alel ku naka ke ku cham ke go koch wen jal ku lek bany ko rila det chula yok pan e bandit e tim ayeto ku ap miok choli chut rek koch ache chwai akach aye paliu piny ku wun bany kor jal lok ben ku met tin ku jol ka luk loy ku koch ache ben pot ku ache dok yen bandit na wun la wun ti ting ka wun bany kor borich go bany kor jal wel wich ku tapat go bandit jal irut be piny pat ben lo wich go tapat ben yok ku lwel chal ka wuda bo tapat acha yok go wun bany dit kwet kun ibany kor achi dong piny ku loika aken piat tawon jel bandit tin go bandit ja tie jila chun bany kor dong da go go lweli la ka chi dong piny go koch toj lak bak lating ku bany kor achi kach ke rom tok ila na le ran lo ben kanaka bi wek ran war bor go bandit kach ro go bandit kach ro lo chol aduk ila tiengka un bany kor go kajal ben ku loika awan kala chin jong dan imalwal sidong piny wen kwet ok go lwel jong aliu e karel tin e jong det chol aba it nen go koch awan jai kachin achin jong dan chol aba it nen go bany kor lwel dot ka lak kanok go kajal kat awur war ka ke go ka jala lwel tan bany den tong ila koch achilok piet lach kwa yich ku dwer ka ok nok go kajal nin nawon niak kawun duk tin ku ye ngek ben ke kiden ket ku tew galde ku jol koch bany kor kwaj jol ka aken kwat lil tok ku tuom tong ren chikek nger iloj yich warakol na wen ka benting eka dwer koch nok go tong jal tuom go ka chop tuom ka lil dit chol apok yang go ka koch jal lat ila jal ka dong piny wega chi jal a paliu piny go tong dit jal wel na weg chet wei jok ipot lap go koch itong aka diet long na wan chi koch kwa jal kat ka koch tong jol yok awik ajok go koch kwaj ka nim jal lo wel eben ke tangken ku wel ka ila bi jok weg dom jong chol malik go koch kwan kok nin lok nok ka dit ku ket ka oi ben ka ring cái gì go trong dit ran tok ben toj lo tan kwaj iwa bar koch yen koch achito eben go jal ben ku koch go koch jal pir na wen chu koch pir ka wadit ben jok wow ke aya ku jol wadit wunden chol akot jal yok jol wut loy ana chit yok e wun kwa a chol arel e war along tui a be ya pa jok tin ila wun war chikat a chi nyuch kem a be ya ma kem ku koch ma kem a paliu piny ku war along tui yen atek koch i koch kok a war along koch tok kok war along tui apa jok ku koch war along apa liu pin go okot mor malwal jal wich ku ler akewi tawon ko ke silo toitin ku loka ko itong loka anyer bo chuk big ya malwal ler ku jol mor malwal la noktin ku lwel etat lotwing abi chol malwal akot tong erin e wet wen o aye lwel ula by ekeda ku akot achim manden chol majak diet goman imajak chol awutiek ku chol chak tong arab jal iten et kartum leben keturum gut aroyo ku achi gaw kang loy aroyo ku ben gaw bay nyamlel is my home guys achi gaw kang loy aroyo ku ben gaw bay nyamlel ku jol daw yel wun lwal daw jol yok biyabany ku ben yen kayor wal ben jodaya biyabany war ngot geo nyumlel iten na war jol geo lo mading kajang jol a bany iben ku awutiak nom akwas ke aka se kang jot eyin ayewo emene by ekeda kiye by keda kan yena kan. Okay guys, this is the end of the story. It is a little bit long. It's a story of Parikalan. I hope you guys have understood it. You can understand it from English here, English translation version, and Dinka translation. Okay guys, that is the story of Parikalan. Next time I'm going to read the story of Pakir Kalan. Okay guys, please share this video so that many Pariklans who don't know the story can learn, and those who are also related to Parikalan can also learn. Also, I'm going to read the story of Pakir Kalan next time. So if you love the story, just comment there. I did not add anything and I did not remove anything. It is what I get in the books that I read. Okay guys, bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, because when you like the video, YouTube is going to recommend it to the other YouTubers so that they can learn also. Bye. I'm William Majak Malek. Bye bye. Nyali kewik,